Hello, you will get your Mysore Dasara Doll Stand like this in the box. Open the box, keep it aside. Make sure you put on your white gloves to avoid paper cuts. Yes. So, okay. Now, you will have a manual inside the box. Now, take these boards, just bend it lightly. Before you assemble, bend all these boards lightly and keep them aside. So, I will just be keeping it aside here. Yeah. So, here is part A, which I will be taking first. So, inside the box, the name of the part will be mentioned here, A1. Okay, so, you will have A1, A2 and A3. Keep all these three first. Next, you take part C. Be careful when you take part C, look for the arrow mark below. The arrow mark will come downwards. So, before you start assembling, just fold it lightly so that the bends are easy. Okay. So, now that I folded it, you take A1, A2 and A3 and you start inserting them inside like this. You place part A, so it will go all the way down. Make sure it is butted all the way down. Next is A2. You take A2 and it should go all the way down. Same with A3. Yeah. So, and here if you turn it around, if you can see, if you can turn it around, this, there are 3 slots this side as well. So, this has to go all the way inside. So, these 3 are aligned, then you press it gently on all 3 sides, and again here again it has to go completely, it has to be aligned with this is butted in, yes. You can gently press it. Okay. Next, you take, after B, after part C, you take part D. Okay. So, this is part D, this again comes in the back side. Again, align with, first the way to fix this is, firstly you will have to align these 3 slots. After aligning it, gently press it in. You can see it will go all the way inside, all 3. Now, after pressing it in, you bend it over and there is a slot available. You just gently press it inside the slot here. Okay. Now, we are good to go with part B, which is near the first step. So, this is part B, and here you insert the slot given here to part B. And I press it all the way down here. See, there is no problem in giving it a gentle press. Just make sure it is butted here. You can apply a little bit force, not an issue. So, now, so you bend it. Yeah, before you just bend it like this. Done. Yeah. So, now these 3 main components are fixed. Now, we go to part E. Okay. Now, this is simpler. So, this longer face will go down. So, make sure you align the edges here, align the edges and press it gently till it goes all the way down here. Now, the shorter flap here will go sit there. Give it just a gentle stroke or a push like this, and you will see that it is flat completely. Next, you take part E2. Okay. E1, E2 and E3 are the same. So, again the same thing. You align it with it, give a gentle push in, then you fold the shorter one and you just push it in. After you align, you give it a gentle push back like this. Now you see they are aligned. Now the last part of this, you take this one and you give it a small gentle push. Okay. And now the shorter end, just tuck it in with the other one like this. Yes. Now you have the 5-step assembled, strong, sturdy. It's good to go. The 3-step one is also similar. The B, C and D part are the same. Only thing is this has E1 and that has E2 and E3. So the way of fixing is the same for both.